1. Fruits are formed from the option A stamen, option B stigma, option C ovary and option D ovule. And the correct option is option C ovary. 2. IUCD is for option A vegetative propagation, option B contraception, option C increasing fertility and option D avoiding miscarriage. And the correct option is contraception. 3. AIDS is a deadly disease which is caused by option A protozoan, option B a fungus, option C a bacterium and option D a virus. And the correct option is option D a virus. 4. During favorable conditions, amoeba reproduces by option A multiple fission, option B binary fission, option C budding and option D fragmentation. And the correct option is option B binary fission. 5. The ability of a cell to divide into several cells during reproduction in plasmodium is called option A budding, option B multiple fission, option C binary fission and option D reduction division. And the correct option is multiple fission. 6. Bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by the option A stem, option B leaf, option C root and option D flower. And the correct option is option B leaf. 7. Vegetative propagation refers to formation of new plants from option A stem flowers and fruits, option B stem leaves and flowers, option C stem roots and flowers, option D stem roots and leaves. And the correct option is stem roots and leaves. 8. In a potato, vegetative propagation takes place by option A root, option B leaf, option C stem tuber and option D grafting. And the correct option is option C stem tuber. 9. The male reproductive parts of a flower, the stamens, are collectively known as option A androecium, option B filament, option C anther and option D gynoecium. And the correct option is option A androecium. 10. Vegetatively propagated plants, option A do not bear roots, option B do not bear buds, option C are genetically similar, option D are genetically dissimilar. And the correct option is are genetically similar. 11. Spirogyra reproduce by option A budding, option B fragmentation, option C regeneration and option D fission. And the correct option is option B fragmentation. 12. Plants like banana, rose, jasmine, orange have lost the capacity to produce option A seeds, option B buds, option C flower and option D roots. And the correct option is option B buds. 13. The flower of hibiscus plant is option A bisexual, option B unisexual, option C nurture and option D very small. And the correct option is option A bisexual. 14. The part of the flower which is present in the center of the flower is option A sepals, option B petals, option C carpels and option D stamens. And the correct option is option C carpels. 15. The seed that contains the future plant is called the option A cotyledons, option B seed coat, option C germ cells, and option D embryo. And the correct option is option D embryo. 16. The period of pregnancy is called option A gestation period, option B incubation period, option C ovulation, and option D menstruation period. And the correct option is option A gestation period. 17. The process of release of eggs from the ovary is called option A menstruation, option B reproduction, option C insemination, and option D ovulation. And the correct option is option D ovulation. 18. An unisexual flower, option A has either petal or sepal, option B do not have carpel, option C has either carpel or stamen, option D do not have stamen. And the correct option is option C has either carpel or stamen. 19. An animal which can reproduce by budding is option A bryophyllum, option B yeast, option C hydra, and option D all of above. And the correct option is option C hydra. 20. In humans, gestation is completed in option A 40 weeks, option B 60 weeks, option C 120 weeks, and option D 240 weeks. And the correct option is option A 40 weeks. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.